How do I find the best performing keywords for my PPC? If you're already running ads, download your search term report, select a 30 days period and download that data. Look at things that brought at least 2+ orders, ideally 10+ orders, because those are the most important keywords or targets you should be focusing on. If you don't have them yet in exact match or exact product targeting, those are the ones you should be going for, especially if they perform well under your break-even ACoS for that specific product. That is really important. How would you find the best performing keywords? Simply by testing. Test 5 keywords at a time, depending on your budget. If you have bigger budget, you can test 10 keywords. What I've seen so far on my end, it depends on the category that you're in. Even us in the agency are not testing more than 5 keywords at a time, especially for brands that are selling supplements and beauty, because what we can end up with is that a click costs us $20 to $30, $50. So if we're gathering information, imagine it this way, if it's for the one product, and if we have data, $500 spent, which is, that can already negatively impact a lot an account. Even if you're spending $10,000 on ads, 500 on non-spend, it's quite enough. Now, what happens if you have those 5 keywords for 3 products or for 5 products or for 10 products? What I would do in this case is I would just strategically take 3 keywords, analyze them within a week, give them as high as possible CPC, so you get the data as quick as possible. Because what you're proving right now, it's not that what makes you sales, but what doesn't make you sales. So you're going to stop investing in them.